If you or your child has an electric bike, you're going to want to pay close attention to this story. New e-bike laws are going into effect here in Connecticut next Wednesday. It's the next step in regulating these increasingly popular and sometimes dangerous modes of transportation.
Now, according to national data from the American College of Surgeons, 20,000 people are injured on e-bikes each year, and 3,000 of them end up going to the hospital. NBC's Andrew Rowan has more on what the new legislation entails.
Connecticut's new e-bike laws are getting down to the bone of rider safety.
The truth about riding a bike in the street here in Connecticut is it can be a little scary at times.
State leaders urging the public to learn about Connecticut's new law redefining an e-bike. Its motor must be capped at 28 miles per hour unless the bike has a throttle, where speed is then limited to 20 miles per hour. But either way, the motor must be less than 750 watts. Bikes with larger batteries and higher speeds have different requirements, especially when it comes to insurance and requiring potentially a driver's license.
For children especially, who might not have both the fine motor skills and cognitive abilities that they're still developing, that speed difference, which comes from the wattage, can make a huge difference.
So if you have an e-bike like one of these in your garage, how do you know if your bike is in compliance?
Unless you deal with someone who knows what they're talking about, you really don't know.
The bike seller owner, Walter Rockefort, has been selling e-bikes for nearly 2 decades.
This bike here, Class 2.
And says teens bring bikes into the shop that they should not be riding.
So she's 13, all her friends have these bikes that are going 35 miles an hour. My goodness, that's a problem.
Rockefort hopes the new law will bring education and a focus on local.
Buying online looks like a good deal, but you have no idea where these products are coming from. Their batteries are typically not UL approved, and when they're put together by someone, they're oftentimes unsafe.
The gears now turning on new rules aimed at safer riding. In Simsbury, Andrew Rowan, NBC Connecticut News.